still coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Look how black it is.
Yep. See when you
Rev it, it'll spit it out.
oh, it spat out white and then all of a sudden it came out black. I'm so good doing it anyway. Just showing them how much stuff came out.
There's still stuff going in there.
Blue smoke.
It's not blue smoke, it's cold. It's that shit. Steam.
Alright. Yeah. Foam. It's got good clean. Quite a lot of it.
Not blue smoke. It's that fucking shite.
Mm-hmm.
It's that cleaner.
Eh?
It's that cleaner.
I'm cleaning it.
It's fucking dirty, that's all I can
Mm. You want to say anything to them?
Eh? I think people can hear me.
Huh.
I'm probably fucking cold.
And you've got to do that.
I've got to do all this. Or pay 250 quid. You got a DPF, we'll delete that. Which is illegal in my country.
Aye. This is the stuff. Yeah.
That's fucking horrible.
Yeah.
No, that's fucking toxic.
No.
Eh?
I'm going to stop it now. there's still stuff coming out. You haven't even removed it and that's what's coming out.
Yeah, I know. It's because I repositioned it.
Oh, right. Right. You want to see anything before I...
Well, we can only hope that it'll be successful. But there you go. Bob's your auntie, Fanny's your uncle, and all that. God knows how long it'll stay off for. But reset values, including the DPF out. Fucking hope so. Fucking finished with vengeance. Can't be fucked anymore today. I'm full of cold. Sorry about my language and all that. You all know me anyway, so don't matter. Don't think any of you are scared of my language. Right. Catch you all later on. Thanks very much. Leave us a like. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Right. Ciao for now.